After taking the cooked chicken out, you set the pieces aside and you take your 2 egg yolks and a tablespoon of flour and mix them together. And after doing that, you take some of your hot broth and you put it in, and they say whisk it quickly. I don't think I want scrambled eggs, and I didn't get them. So what you have here is kind of, you know, a nice little roux with egg, and then you just pour it right back in. And after you do that, the key is to send it in to that hot liquid that's literally butter and chicken stock with a lot of herbs. And once I've mixed it in, I'm going to add in my mushrooms, as many as you want, and I want many. And then the final part is to just put the chicken back into the pot, cover it up, and just let it simmer for 15-20 minutes till everything comes together. And if you saw that, I have a little bit of cleanup to do.